Hey guys, Twins here, and today I'm going to show you how to make granola, right quick. Alright, so granola, it's not one of those things that you necessarily have to make for yourself. You go to the supermarket and there's just various brands of granola. It's nice and easy to just pick a brand off the shelf and there you go, you got granola. But then at the same time, you're not really sure what's in that granola, right? They tell you all these lists of things, and then when you get to the ingredients, you see preservatives and all that stuff. So now there's nothing wrong with these brands. They're becoming a lot better. But when you want a granola, me at least, I want to know what I'm eating. So let's get started, huh? So first thing I did, actually let's get the plate started. Just to make things easier for ourselves, we're going to spray it with some cooking spray. And everybody knows now that the serving size is 1/4 of a second, or just miss in Mississippi, so you go miss, and that's, there you go, you get 0. It's all 0, but everything's there. Alright, so what we did first is we chopped up some dates. And we loosely packed them into a 1/4 cup. So it fits in there, and you're not squishing it, because you can fit a bunch in there. So we got a 1/4 cup of loosely packed dates, and that's going to go on here. And then to that, because this is just going to be a single serving, we're going to do 1/4 cup of oats. And all of our recipes are designed to be a ratio. So let's say that you want to do a full serving, perhaps it'd be a cup of oats, so you just multiply all the other ingredients by 4. Okay, so it's all ratio servings. This, we're going to do a review on this, so look for that soon, that this is the best brand of oats that you can get. Alright? So, we got a review coming out soon, so keep on your toes, kids. So we're going to do a 1/4 cup of this, spread it across the plate, get that going. Now this next ingredient you might not have in your house. There are alternatives out there, like you can use almonds instead, you can use pecans, walnuts, you can use any nut variety. That's actually really good. We like flax seeds because you get your good fats in there, and it's also it's a good for you. So we're going to do a tablespoon of this, alright? And I think it looks better when it's all said and done. It looks... and the same thing, we're going to do a tablespoon of cinnamon. Actually, we're going to do a teaspoon of cinnamon. And this one's optional. We're just going to put this in because we're a fan of heat. You know, we like it a lot, as you may know. So, I'm going to put in what we like. It's optional. You can put a teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon, whatever, just a little flick, however you like it. And this last one is a tablespoon of honey. And this is the crucial part. This is the binder that makes granola crunchy. Alright? Now, let's get this party started. We're going to make this in a hot minute. Alright? So here we go. I got the oven preheated to room temperature, and we're going to put it in the microwave. We're going to do 2 rounds. The first round is going to be 40 seconds. And this is going to get things initiated, getting everybody all integrated with each other, introduced, saying, hi, I'm cinnamon, hello, I'm honey, I'm going to burn you, all that stuff. And once the 40 seconds are done, then we're going to take it out, stir it up a bit, and we're going to put it in again for another 20 seconds. So, let's just wait a little bit. Beautiful part about having a microwave is how fast things cook. It's beautiful. Because I don't like to wait for stuff. Alright. Careful, kids. They say don't put honey in the microwave. because this stuff gets extremely hot. So you want to get it nice and mixed. You see the oil, if I didn't put the oil in there, everything would be sticking to the plate right now. So it's not going to add anything to the meal or to the granola, but it's going to help in the regard of not sticking to the plate, because you don't want that. Oh man, and this smell right now, it smells like those honey roasted stalls like you see at the mall or like amusement parks of the honey roasted nuts or whatever. Now I do it for 20 seconds. Tasty. Looking with you. Alright, now it's done. Alright, now, here's the crucial part. You let it sit. Because now it's going to get nice and hard. And you can think to yourself, do I just want to eat it like a fiend right out of the plate? Or do I want to put it on top as a topping on something? Like perhaps a Greek yogurt, or maybe some ice cream, or whatever else toppings are for. That's for the dogs. So let it sit for like about 2 to 3 minutes, and it'll get a nice crispy consistency. So try this out, guys, and let us know what you think about it, and share it with your friends.